Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to talk about an infographic designer. So we are here at the official website of Fiverr.com. So we will read an article in this website and we'll get to know about the infographic designers, their earning, their benefits, and many things more will be covered in this video. So let's read out an article and understand about infographic designer. So what is an infographic and how do you make a good one? Everything you need to know about infographics. Finding new ways to convey information in an engaging, attention-grabbing way to your target audience is something that plenty of small businesses struggle with. Businesses strive to get eyes on their blog posts, to stand out in the social feeds, and to properly engage their audience through a variety of different marketing content. There is a solution: infographics. Infographics are a creative and cost-effective way to grab your followers and potential customers' attention while sharing information that is valuable to them. Infographics can convey information quickly and in an easily digestible format that is often readily shared on social media and by brand blogs too. With the right tools and strategies, high-performing infographics that help you accomplish your specific marketing goals are easy to create and offer a new format of content while helping you stay on budget. By the end of this guide, you'll learn everything you need to know about infographics and the key steps for creating one. What is an infographics? Number one, infographic definition and example. An infographic, short for information graphic, visually represent a core message using a combination of data, copy, often minimal graphics, and storytelling. The best infographics catch the attention of an audience through the presentation and keep them engaged with interesting concepts or data that tell a story. Many brands have adopted the use of infographics. They are engaging, effective, at communicating complex ideas, memorable, and share worthy. You may come across infographics in emails, brochures, posters, social posts, articles, and on websites. They can help to position businesses as thought leaders while increasing brand awareness and sharing brand relevant information. To get a better idea of what an infographic is, see that example below. So that is the picture which is giving an information and designing as well. You can see the background design and you can see the text as in the form of information. So that was the example. So now let's move forward. Why use infographics? There are a number of reasons why businesses use infographics. Provide topic overview quickly. You can repurpose blog posts, white papers, and even webinars into infographics to create easy to scan content that can provide brief topic summaries or overviews that can quickly be absorbed. Simplify complex processes in a visual way. Visual infographics can take users through complex processes like buying a home, 3D printing, or even hiring an employee quickly and easily. According to the Social Science Research Network, approximately 65% of people are visual learners, so visual first media can be most impactful for these users. Share original data in a visually appealing way. Do you have a case studies or survey results that you want to publish? Sharing it in a visual format can make a bigger impression on viewers. Make a compare or contrast argument more efficiently. Comparing and contrasting infographics allow viewers to differentiate between two brands, products, or ideas in just a few seconds. Raise awareness for cause or around an issue. Showcase industry trends. Share survey results. Demonstrate how to use your product. Show what the process of working with your business looks like. So there are different types of infographics as like as written below. Mixed chart infographics, list based infographics, timeline infographics, process infographics, hierarchical infographics, and etc. So that was the some types about infographics, and I hope now you've understood about infographics. Now let's move forward to the gigs about infographics on Fiverr. So we are here at the official website platform of Fiverr. Now we will search here infographics. So as you can see, the gigs, like, it's not much expensive, but you can, if you are a top rated seller, you can increase your uh, charge. You can increase your charges by being a top rated seller. So you can see there are many infographics uh, designs and a lot of gigs related to infographic designers. So the competition is high, the demand is high, but you have to be patient and you have to be professional to get the orders and to earn money and generate a handsome amount of revenue. So as you can see, the top rated sellers charging 30,648 per order. So the gig is of Este, and the title is I will design a professional infographic. It's just simple as that, but it has a like great amount of orders and good reviews feedback. So that's why it is top rated seller and charging 30,000 PKR. So I hope this video would be helpful for you. So let's end this today's video here. We will meet in the next video. Till that, bye bye. See you.